Hey guys, I'm IFBB Pro Brandon Curry, and I want to introduce you to the new SciTech Nutrition Amino Charge. Now, this is basically a BCA formula with 100 milligrams of caffeine per serving. It also includes all your essential amino acids as well. And basically what I use this to do is just to fuel myself during the workout, enhance recovery, and train more intensely. So if you have those longer, more intense workouts, this will allow you to train more intensely and recover from that training session. So if you haven't tried it out, if you haven't heard about it, this is one of the new SciTech Nutrition products. Remember, SciTech Nutrition Amino Charge. And I'm about to hit these legs.